Hello my friend, let's take this sleeve for example to show you how to set the density. We can see from 207, here is the density. First one is the density for front, second column is for back, third one is for front, back, third one partial Jacquard, fourth the Jacquard tuck, and the fifth the transfer density. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is important. And also we say from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 3 is always the same. Okay, let's begin from the beginning. First one for here is the locking. Locking is for the machine knitting first row, second row, first row, second row until the up roller can get the fabric. Then we can cancel the locking, then begin to knit the next. Locking density normally we set 222 is okay. And next one for here aft locking, here we set the value 255 is okay for knitting or 1x1 vestiaire for here. And for 3 the vestiaire jersey we give 290 or 300 for here. Then here is the dolphin, is same like 3, okay. And for this row number 4, beginning of the rib, front we give 240, back 120, because this one is the back dolphin, back side have no stitch there, so we give a tight one. And the next for 5 is the rib tubular. Tubular we can give 290. And for here for 6 is the rib. Rib we can give 266. And next one 7 is the last row of the rib. For next we will transfer to front and knitting the body, so need a little loose than the rib, so we give 277. And for number 8 for here is the body. Here this row also 8, here also 8 until the body last row, here all is 8, so we can give 290 or 300. Then we can check other for here. Here is binding off. We use 17 is bind off, we give the density 290 on the machine. Here is the dolphin, we give 12 same as the bind off is also okay. For this side also bind off, normally we give the same one, we can change here to 9, 17, use the same density is okay. We can change, F, give 9 here. After we change here for the speed, the ruler is not changed, we can click here, then it's all use 9, change at the same time. Okay, click back 7 density, and we can go on upside For here, after the body finish, we need to use the cotton yarn to knit some. For here, density 15 we can with the yarn jersey give 290. Okay, upside 2 seam 1 as 2, 3 as 3. Here seam as here also okay, this stuffing. And for here seam as the locking, upside locking. So for here is the knitting. Also here we have the transfer. The transfer, it will use the transfer density. Can see here, transfer density. And okay, the density setting we all finish. But for this value setting, it's only make sure the fabric can knit without needle break. For this setting, is not too loose or too tight, so the needle not break. But for your fabric, you need to check if it's the one you need. If it's too loose, then you can tight some. Too tight, some loose. It depending on your yarn and you need. Here's the density setting. For the speed and the up roller. For speed, we only set some special one, then other you can keep the same. For the transfer, we can give 55 speed. And for the beginning, we can some slow. We can give 40. And for other one, for all other parts, we can give 60 speed. For the up roller, also transfer, we can give 2. Transfer, no need too much tension, so we can give 2. And for the beginning, we can give 10. And for all other parts, the roller we give 22. And yes, of course, when you check on the machine, if some drag too much or not enough, you can change the roller tension. Okay, for here is all the density and speed and the roller setting. And on the machine setting, you can see my video from YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.